Hi, John with aFe Power here. At aFe, we pride ourselves in making the world's best performance products to make your vehicle even better. We spent countless hours of testing and engineering to develop several products for the C8. But right now, we're going to focus on some of the exhaust products we have available. The mid-engine C8 Corvette is one of the best American-made performance vehicles available. However, we noticed that it isn't the most engaging vehicle to drive, so we set out to improve the C8's driving experience. The factory exhaust on the C8 is nice but quiet, perfect for some, but some of us want something more, something that engages our senses. We also realized that one size doesn't fit all. So we have 4 catback systems available in 3 different tip variations. The tips are 4.5-inch diameter, carbon fiber, satin black ceramic, or polished. All 4 systems are manufactured from brushed finish 304 stainless steel tubing and hand TIG welded. These systems utilize premium stainless steel hardware, and all connections are V-band clamped. All 4 systems include the active fuel management valves, which are used to maintain proper back pressure during cylinder deactivation or 4-cylinder mode. This eliminates any check engine lights and maintains our goal, keeping the systems CARB and EPA compliant. The first exhaust is equipped with a high-flow muffler for the Corvette with the NPP valves. The NPP valves are found on the Z51 package and on the optional factory performance exhaust package. Of course, the NPP valves control the exhaust sound level. We designed our system to bypass the muffler when the NPP is open, and when closed, it diverts the exhaust pulses through the muffler to quiet things down a bit. This system is ideal for those wanting to improve overall sound and performance of their C8 without compromise. It is not our most aggressive sounding system, but it's very noticeable improvement over stock and with no in-cab drone. For those wanting a more aggressive sound, we offer our muffler delete catback exhaust system for the C8 equipped with the NPP valve. Here, we placed an X-pipe design, which works similar to our high-flow muffler, but our X-pipe does not absorb as much interior exhaust sound, making this system the loudest option for the Corvettes equipped with the NPP valve. Corvettes without the performance exhaust package are limited to one sound level due to not having an NPP valve. So my recommendation is our catback system with the high flow muffler. The muffler absorbs high-pitched tones, making this system the most engaging, least compromising exhaust system we offer. Our last option is for those of you who are looking for the most aggressive sound you can stand and don't mind compromising interior sound levels. This no muffler, non-NPP valve exhaust performs much like our muffler delete system, which features our X-pipe design and offers the loudest option for the base model Corvette without NPP valves. If you're looking to unleash the power and performance of your mid-engine C8 Corvette, take a look at aFe Power.